Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Bio Factory for NEET. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification. In this video, I am going to explain some of the general characters of phylum Annelida. The name Annelida, it is derived from Latin. In Latin, annulus means little rings because all the members which belongs to phylum Annelida, they have ring-like structures on their body surface, and all these are kept under phylum Annelida. Some of the example for this phylum like Nereis, Peritima is also called as earthworm, and Hydronaria is also called blood-sucking leech. These are some examples for phylum Annelida. In the general characters of phylum Annelida, most of the members of this phylum are aquatic in nature and they are growing in either marine water or fresh water. But a few members are in terrestrial nature and these are free living, but some of the members are parasitic in nature. These are the members showing organ system level of body organization with a different type of organ systems, and these are the members showing bilateral symmetry. Due to this bilateral symmetry, the body of the organism can divide into two equal halves with only one plane which is passed through their central axis. In these members, some of the organ systems like digestive system, and this digestive system is a complete digestive system with both mouth and anus. Along with this, it consists of circulatory, nervous system, excretory system, along with reproductive systems. In these members, these are the triploblastic animals having three germ layers during embryonic development, and all parts of body are developed from these three germ layers and belongs to triploblastic animals. And one of the most important characteristic feature of phylum Annelida is metamerically segmented body, because all these members having segmented body, and these segments are present in both externally and even internally is called metamerism, and these are the members having coelom or body cavity in their body, so that these are called as coelomate animals. The body surface, especially they have a distinctly marked out into segments, is called metameres. The entire body of Annelida members having many segments, this segmentation process is called metamerism, and these segments are called metameres. These members shows locomotion with the help of specialized longitudinal and circular muscles present in their body. So with the help of this longitudinal and circular muscles, it shows locomotion. But in some of the members, especially Nereis, it is growing in aquatic habitat. In this Nereis, it consists of many lateral appendages. These lateral appendages are called parapodia. So with the help of this parapodia, it shows locomotion, especially when it is present in water. With the help of these parapodia, it performs swimming. These members consist of circulatory system, but this circulatory system is closed type. Along with this, the members having specialized structures called nephridia, singular nephridium. This nephridium, it is useful or helpful in osmotic regulation. Along with this nephridia, it helps to perform excretory function. So presence of nephridia is also one of the characteristic feature of phylum Annelida. The members having neural system. In this neural system, it consists of paired ganglia. Singular one is called ganglions. So these ganglions are connected to lateral nerves to a double ventral nerve cord. With the help of this paired ganglia, it can form nervous system, and this nervous system is connected to ventral nerve cord present in their body. Coming to reproduction. So reproduction occur by the means of sexual mode in some of the members like Nereis. So Nereis is one aquatic member growing in water. It is dioecious in nature. That means it shows sexual dimorphism. Both male and female reproductive organs are separately present in two individuals. But in some of the members like earthworm and leech, these are example for monoecious condition. In these members, both male and female reproductive organs are present in same individual, and example for bisexual animals. This bisexual nature is called hermaphrodites. So both the earthworm and leech are example for hermaphroditic animals. Even though in these members, if one single individual consists of both male and female reproductive organ, it always prefer cross fertilization, especially in bisexual earthworm. So this bisexual earthworm, the two earthworms came opposite to each other to transfer the sperm cell from one earthworm to another earthworm, and always preferred cross fertilization. The process of fertilization at the time of sexual reproduction, it always occur inside of the organism, is called internal fertilization, and the process of development of young one, it take place by direct method without larval stage, is called direct development. But sometimes in Nereis, the members can show indirect development with the help of larval stage. So these are the some important characteristic feature of phylum Annelida. These Annelida members having segmented body, and segmentation is called metamerism, and the segments are called metameres. So these members showing organ system level of organization. In this, all these members are belongs to triploblastic animals and showing bilateral symmetry. Presence of nephridia for excretion is one of the characteristic feature. Along with this, the nervous system is formed with paired ganglions. So these are some important characteristic features of phylum Annelida. Thanks for watching.